Hello YouTube. So today I thought I'd show you guys my plan for keeping my headphones together so that I don't lose them, as well as these guys so that they don't come off that easy because they tend to come off. I've lost them a few times. So I have a plan where I take a piece of tubing. I'm not sure where I found this tube. I've had it for a while. So if I squeeze them on like this, then it stays there. So I'm using the tube, the whole tube is quite heavy, so I don't want to do that. So what I've thought is if I cut some pieces, two pieces like this, for example, a bit long enough, and I just take some paracord that I have. I already measured this so that it fits around my neck. I'm trying to simulate these guys hanging around your neck, and then I could use. I think I might have some, but the little clips you get on access cards. Can connect one of those to that. So I'll see if I can find one of those as well. So the plan is if I take one of these guys, stick that in there. Use a lighter. So it's going to stay there. If I take some paracord, that on. Like so. Like so. That. And then the ball on the inside, I could cut that off. If I stick this in there, I think I'm going to cut just a little bit longer just to give myself a bit of room. I don't know. So I take this, stick that in there, and then use another piece of paracord, and that way the ball can't come out. Like so. Then it's a nut. Now attach that to that. Cut these guys. Thank you. Something to that effect. And then that way, a little, I guess we can cut these shorter. So then I can do the same on this side. Drop my t-shirt. Just make a double knot. Cut. One side, other side. So. And we can stick this side in. And then the same on this side. Apologize if my camera setup's not working the best. I'm still new to this, so we'll get better as we go along. So I'm gonna pull it too tight. This side tighten. So I don't know where I got this. This stuff's pretty cool. I'm sure if I go look online, we're able to order some silicone tube somewhere. I think that's all that it is. It's a see, and that way it can't come out. See, and now I can take these two guys. And I'll be able to hang this around my neck so that I don't lose them. I work. I'm an industrial mechanic, so I do a lot of technical work, and sometimes just mowing the lawn or whichever, however you use them, I guess. Maybe cut this a little bit shorter. There, like so. You're not gonna lose them. Take this. Same thing. There. And then one last little thing that I want to do is I want to. So these little silicone tabs, I've lost them a few times already. I've actually got two pairs of these. So what I'm gonna do, just to give it a little bit more, I'm gonna cut myself little rings. these two first. So I'm going to take this. Get that through there like that. And then if I stick this on, and I then take this, just like that. It's gonna work. Nice. And just give it that little bit more to keep them on. Do the same on this side. Make sure one on easier. Like that. Now, all I need is, let me go grab one quick. I'll be back. So, I'll take one of these guys, put that on. That way, I can clip them to the back of my shirt, and I have stays. Well, I don't know what they would call them, lanyards or, yeah. So yeah, I hope this could help someone. Easy enough to make, I guess, just to simulate this sort of thing. Yeah, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like my channel. It would really help towards the channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.